Amelia, for those of you who've not met me. Yeah, you got it.
Alright, hi everyone, this is Steven, this is
Amelia.
Hi Amelia. I just been to Amelia body attack class. Look at this, glasses all poked out, so I better take it off. Alright Amelia, what do you do for work?
So I am a group fitness instructor, a personal training manager, and a personal trainer.
Wow. Yes, Amelia is one of my fitness instructor and I'm in her very, very intense body attack class. And I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So Amelia, how many classes do you teach now?
So I teach 2 body attacks per week. Monday nights, 6:30, Saturday mornings, 10:30 at Fitness First Carlingford.
Okay, now this is a 50 GMAX in 50 week series where we're really trying to get people enjoying exercise.
Yes.
Now people doesn't have to really come to the gym, but gym is basically a place that you get like-minded people around, so you really can keep up of your of the motivation.
Absolutely.
So Amelia, what advice do you have for somebody who is starting up or restarting their fitness journey, after COVID and so forth?
Yeah. So my 3 main tips would be patient, right? You didn't get out of shape in 2 weeks. You're not going to get back in shape in 2 weeks. So start slow and really believe in the power of small wins stacked up on top of each other to build big results over time. So number 2 is find movements that you enjoy, right? Exercise can be done in so many different ways. You don't have to flog yourself every single session. Finding something that you can do that you enjoy that makes you want to come back and do it again is the key to success. And number 3, find an accountability partner. All right, so we break promises to ourselves all the time, right? But we won't break promises to our friends, right? So if I said, I'm going to go to the gym because Steven's going to the gym, I said to Steven I'd be there, right? You're more likely to show up, right? So find that accountability buddy and share your hopes and dreams with them too. Those are my 3 tips.
Beautiful, thank you. And Amelia also has been trying to help a lot of the gym members who actually require some one-on-one help or a bit more focused help. Amelia, I heard you had a Facebook group and you want to share with others?
Yes, I do. I have a Facebook group. You can look it up. It's Fearless Fitness VIP group on Facebook. And in that group I share recipes, workout tips, bit of motivation, and we all sort of just band together so we all reach that common goal.
Yes, I always enjoy your food tips as well. So,
thank you.
So not only I get a lot of good exercise routine from Amelia, I also get a bit of food tips every now and then from her.
Awesome.
All right, guys. Well, I think that's all for the video this week, and I really thank you, Amelia, for your time.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Guys, I'll see you soon.
All right, guys. Like, subscribe if you want more video like this, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Cheers, guys.
My name's Amelia, for those of you who've not met me. Welcome. Body attack